What's up, guys? Welcome to the very first episode of Cookin' with Clay, a show where I'll be showing quick, easy, delicious meals that you can make even if you're on a tight budget. On today's episode, we're doing breakfast edition. I'll be making my world famous bacon, egg, and cheese on everything bagel. So let's get into it. We're going to start with some olive oil. We're just going to olive oil up both our pans that have been preheating to about 350 degrees. Perfect. And then we're going to crack some pepper on this. Get a nice smoky pepper aroma in the room. Excellent. The bacon's going to take longest to cook, so we're going to slap that baby on first. I always make extra bacon because one goes on my sandwich and we like to eat the other. So bacon on. There we go. And then a little secret for the bacon. Salt and pepper your bacon. Excellent. Drizzle a bit more olive oil on. Good. I'm going to put these off to the side. Excellent. While that's cooking, I want to start with the eggs. So we've got our 3 eggs here. I'm just going to crack my 3 eggs. Perfect. And just stir this. I'm satisfied with that egg scramble. So we're gonna, next, while that's still going, we're gonna pour our eggs into the grill. I want these to cook thin. I'm going to separate them and then fold them. That's the process. While I'm at it, I'll sprinkle in my onions. I like onions and my bacon, egg, and cheeses to give that extra crunch. And onions taste good in anything. So we're gonna go about halfway. Something like that. Don't forget the salt and pepper. Just a light salt and pepper. Doesn't need much. We're going to check on our bacon, see how the bacon's looking. Bacon looks excellent. Bacon looks like it's ready to flip, so I'll do that. Perfect. Now while we got time, I'm going to get my bagels ready. So we can put a little bit of olive oil on our pan. Bagels, toast the backside first. I'm going to move the bacon over a bit. So I got some room for these bagels. Excellent. Alright, I'm going to give these eggs a flip. turn this down because these eggs look well cooked. Perfect. And put my cheese on. Alright, here's a cooking trick for the cheese. If you want to get a nice melted cheese on there, you just pour a tiny bit of water in your pan and cover it. And that water is going to steam and really melt that cheese onto your sandwich very well. I'm going to flip my bagels. I got a nice browning on that. Looks excellent. It's bacon. Check the bacon. Bacon's looking very good. I'm going to flip it one more time. I might flip my bacon too many times, but I just want to make sure I got the perfect color on my bacon. And it's looking incredible. Alright. So this bacon's about to wrap up. Bagels are almost done. Cheese is on there. Turn that off. Looking good. Alright, I think it's about time for this bacon, so I'm going to put it on my plate. I want this bacon to cool in the shape I want, and it's easier to put bacon on BLT when it's about the size of the bagel. So I'm going to go like that. A little S shape on my bacon. Something like that. So now that bacon's gonna cool in that shape, so that's good. Check how my bagels look. Putting a little bit of olive oil under my bagels, get that perfect coloring. Alright, these bagels are just about done, so I'm going to pull them off to the side. Here's my bottoms, my tops. Excellent. That is beautiful right there. And then last step is I'm gonna butter the bagel, just ever so slight amount of butter on these. Really don't need much, but not much butter. Less is more with the butter. And then we're gonna go egg on, bottom, egg on. Perfect size for the bagel. My bacon is cooled just enough that it's still warm, but easy to use. There you go. Looks beautiful. Put that baby on top. And there we go. Quick, easy, 10-minute breakfast. My favorite way to start the day with one of these. So let's get our knife and I'll show you what this looks like. The money cut right here. Oh my God. Beautiful bacon, egg, and cheese right there. All right, let's dig in.
10 out of 10.